Hey Doodles, it's Smurf here. So today I thought we'd do a quick flip through of A Million Cute Animals by Lulu Mayo. I picked this one up at a chain store we have here in New Zealand called The Warehouse for 16 New Zealand dollars. So Lulu Mayo's illustrations are just adorable. The paper in this book is pretty smooth, so I've just been scanning the pictures and printing them out on drawing paper. As we can see, we've got cute cactuses, cactuses. And look, there's llamas and sheep and birdies and all sorts of stuff going on. Cute little hedgehogs, little sloths. They all ice creams and sweets. This is a cool little 2-page spread. I've been doing this one as a buddy colour with Pretty Pages 71. Cute little mice. More sweets. Sweet little animals. Oh, look at them in the hammock. Isn't that cute? Little mushroom hat. Are these foxes? Some sort of little dog-like animal. Are these squirrels or are these chipmunks? I don't know. We don't have squirrels or chipmunks in New Zealand. No doubt this book has been fresh to death online, but that's okay. Oh, look at the cute owls. I really like this one. I think it's cool. I guess that's the tortoise in the hare. What is that? A sloth and hamster burger. Lots of rabbits. More food animals. This is cool. Little bit of paisley type-ish patterning going on here. Is that a bowl full of beavers? Are they beavers? Or otters? These guys are otters, aren't they? I think these guys are beavers. I'm not sure. That's what I'd think they were. Look at these posh poodles. Well, they're not all poodles, but I was looking at them. These cute little birdies. Lulu Mayo also does how to draw books. I've been eyeing them up. Might buy some of them. I like her style. I coloured this one in the other day on a printed out sheet with some Crayolas. There's a video on that on my channel. Look at these little chuffy cats. Japanese themed, I believe. Another nice little 2-page. Oh, look at the little dolphins. Didn't even notice them, part of the wave. Yin and yang rabbits. Oh, cool. A bit more Japanese theme for those kimonos. Oh, looks like everyone's a little bit tired. Oh, and then some cute owls. So yeah, gorgeous little book. Plenty more to collect. I'll get there eventually. This is the only one I've seen at the warehouse, but I haven't been back to the warehouse for a few months now. So, yeah. Anyway, nice short little quick video for today. And I probably would have done something a little bit more in depth, but Luna is at the vet getting all her puppy teeth pulled out today. So, just a quick little video that I don't have to edit. So, until next time, guys, keep on doodling.